Meditation is the best way for the filtration of the mind. You don't need to be a theist or a religious person to do it. In our daily life, we are surrounded by various stress, frustration, anxiety, tension. Every day they make our life more complex than it was. If you want to rid of them, you definitely need to practice meditation. Meditation is a simple but fruitful practice. All you need is a calm environment where you can spend time without any disturbance. Bedtime before sleep is the best time to do it. Just follow these tips. Choose a calm and peaceful place. If you don't have so, then use your earphone with light and soothing instrumental music. Wear light and loose clothes. Room will be dark or not much lighted. Now sit comfortably and steadily on your bed or a soft something. Keeping your spinal cord straight and loose all of your body muscles. Try to focus on an image of a particular person or object as you wish. You will notice that your mind is running here and there. You have to set it on the focus of your concentration again. This job is not easy one, rather annoying. But it is the main task. If you can keep your patience, you will gain. Do it until you feel sleepy. This was the first stage of meditation. I will be back with next video for you. Thank you.